Okay, so in this video, we're going to take the EPUB book that we generated in a previous video and we're going to upload that ebook into the lulu.com website. Now, for those of you who don't know what lulu.com is, this is a great website and it's like a distribution channel website where they will take your ebook and distribute that ebook to Barnes and Noble, iBook Store, and Amazon Kindle and others. Okay, so it's a great way to basically upload once and then let the lulu.com distribute your book to all the other websites. Okay, so if you haven't already registered for a free account to Lulu, then go ahead and do that. I've already got an account in Lulu and I'm already logged in, as you can see here, and these are all my books. Now, for privacy purposes, I'm not showing you my books because frankly I don't want too much competition. Okay, and these books are doing pretty well. So anyway, that's why I blanked them out, so I do apologize for that, but I'm sure you'll understand. Okay, so let's get started. The first thing you need to do to upload your book is to click on the Publish tab. So let's go ahead and do that. And then click on the eBooks option here. Okay. And then click on the I'm ready to publish. Okay. And now there's a whole bunch of questions that we'll need to answer. The first question is the working title. Now this is really important. You must set this working title to be exactly the same that you have in the metadata of your book. So if I bring up the Ultimate eBook Creator where we created this book, and by the way, we are going to be publishing this book. This is a real book that I've created, or I should say my son has created. His name is Kishan, and it's an interactive sports trivia book, and this one happens to be in the Major League Baseball context, right? So this is our book title that we specified in our book information, so we must set this title. So I'm just going to copy this. I go back to Lulu and then I'm going to right click and paste. So this title must match the metadata title that I just showed you in your ebook. Okay, author is Kishan Mystery, and now down here we are going to select the third option, which is sell on Lulu, iBook Store, Barnes and Noble, and more. Okay, and then this thing really just says that, you know, do you have an ebook formatted, and make sure everything is good. So we'll just go and click on yes, I'm ready. Okay, and then click save and continue. Okay, and now for assigning the ISBN number, I always select the first option, which is the get a free ISBN from Lulu, and this is probably the best option for most of us. So we'll leave that and we'll click save and continue. Okay, and it tells you this is your ISBN number, and they already emailed it to your email, so you don't have to really keep a note of that. Okay, now this section here basically asks you to upload your EPUB file. So we're going to click on browse MLB, and our ebook is this ebook here, Sports MLB Quiz Book. Now here's another trick, or another little tip that I can tell you, is that you should also name your ebook exactly the same as the metadata title that you specified right over here. Okay, so this title is Sports MLB Quiz Book, and this is also Sports MLB Quiz Book. Okay, so we'll select that, and then what we'll do is we'll click open. So here's our file, and now we're going to click upload. Now this is where all the magic happens, and as it's uploading, let me tell you that 99% of the ebooks fail at this point because the ebooks are not well formatted, and a lot of people have a lot of problems, and then they have to go and tweak the book, or they have to go and, you know, get somebody to fix it. But luckily, if you're using the Ultimate eBook Creator, Well, I've gone through all the headache of basically fixing up all the nuances of the EPUB standard as it's applied to lulu.com, because remember lulu.com does use an older standard for some reason, because I think Barnes and Noble does as well, and therefore some of the books they don't validate 100% in Lulu, but they may validate 100% in the EPUB online website where we can check the EPUB book. So right now it's uploading, it takes a few seconds, and voila, here your file has been added to your ebook successfully. Okay, so this is, when you see this green band, you know that you're good to go and your ebook is 100% perfect, and here is your ebook. Okay, so we click save and continue. Okay, so in this next section it's gonna basically give you your table of contents, and it's gonna basically tell you that, you know, make sure that your TOC is correct. And if we look down here, our TOC is correct, and therefore we are going to just scroll down and click save and